Hello and welcome, guys. You've got Campbell here, and today I'm going to do a bit of training on Clickbank and how to find affiliate products. Alright, so I'm just going to jump straight into it here. I'm signed in here to my Clickbank account. It's just clickbank.com. You can join up for free. Now, what you do when you come in here is you click dashboard. Sorry, not dashboard, marketplace. And then you're brought into basically where all the affiliate products are. Down the side here, you've got categories, or you can just type something into the find products search bar at the top here. So just say you were into, what's a good niche that we can put in there? Just say you were into dogs. We'll just put in dog. All right. Now, obviously, dog is a very, very broad keyword search term, so you'd really want to be more specific, you know, German Shepherd or dog training, dog toys, things like this. But as you can see, just put in dog and you've got straight away accelerated dog training and health grooming, $12.34. Cookbook for dogs, dog training tutor. Now that's not applicable, so obviously you can't use that. Now, what you want to look at here, guys, is the gravity. Okay, gravity is basically how much it's how much the sales have increased on this product in the last 3 months. So as you can see, this one. So what it means is if it's got gravity, it's still it's still selling, and it's selling more each month rather than going backwards. It's still going forward. So when you get a zero gravity like this, obviously that's pretty much a dead product. Come down to something like this. Look at this gravity, 20.37. That is really good. Now this is brain training for dogs, unique dog training course, easy sell, view mobile, blah blah blah. View mobile means it's set up for mobile phones. And just say you wanted to sell this, if your your niche was in dogs and you want to do some content on dog training, then what you would do is, first of all, you would you check it out and just make sure it's all good. So you can see here's the affiliate page. So if we click on that, we'll just be taken to the affiliate page. Now, if you hit promote, it will give you your unique affiliate ID. So it'll just bring up this. You can put in, type in there like dog brain training or whatever it is, and just hit create, and it will give you a link, which is just here. That's an embedded HTML link, so you don't have to worry about that. But this link, you can just literally copy and paste that into, as a link in any blog posts, in descriptions of YouTube videos. You can also get banner ads from these people. So if we go to the affiliate page that they've given us, here we go, affiliate. So they've even got pictures and a bit of a write-up, tells you a little bit about the person who's created the product. Then you can sign up. You know, it tells you all about blah, 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 how to join, a bit about the things, So you get stuff like this, banners. So if you go to banners, they give you banners that you can actually put on your blog or your website, and if people click on them, they'll be taken, it's basically acts as your affiliate link. So, things like this, turn your dog into a genius, brain training for dogs. So this is HTML code, and you can embed that into your, website or blog, and you'll get all these different banners popping up. So that's a great way to advertise your product. That way you're just really putting them at the side. So it's a fairly invasive way. You're not really pushing stuff at them. With the link as well, I would say, it's worth putting it, 2 or 3 times through your post in, places where it's, seems obvious that it should go. So if you've typed the words, brain train your dog, then you could, put the link there for this dog brain training. All right, so this is how you do it. You get all your links down here, promotional videos as well. So this is actually a good, the affiliate products are different depending on what they give you. But as you can see here, you've got articles, you've got reviews, member logins, get the brain training for dogs course if you want to buy it. And it's got all these, stats you can use, all this content you can use in your blog, in your YouTube, things like this. You can offer free giveaways. Look at this. Go to email swipes even. So this is for your email list. So I mean, this is pretty much done for you. And look at that. They've even got keyword ideas for you. download the keywords list. So that's how simple this can be, guys. So, you know, like I said, this is a good performing product because we've got, 20% gravity. The reveal is 75%, which means that people are selling this product over and over and over again. Where, as you can see, this is 0. The ones up here, oh, that's not bad, 60%. So that's just telling you, you know, that people are making money and they're reselling and reselling and reselling it. No data found, home garden, blah, blah, blah. So the rest of this, you know, you don't really need to know a lot about. You know, average rebill is $24.80. So that's basically, you know, the 75% of this $30. So that's average sale is 75%. So you're going to be earning like $24 per sale off this. So you can imagine, you know, if you can get even just 4 a week, that's $100. And this is just with one product. So what you would do is you come across here and you would go to this keyword list, you would download it, you would have a look, put them into a keyword search tool, something like Uber Suggest. Just check that they are good keywords, and then basically you start creating videos and blog posts on it. And as you can see here, they've even got promotional videos. Turn your dog into a genius. There's the code. So you can basically embed this video straight into your blog post. Okay, so you know, you've got 2 videos. I mean, this is pretty much a done for you thing. So really with this, all you need, you know, this is a really good one. I've just, you know, randomly sort of picked on. So you want to sign up to the affiliate program. That will give you your link. Go through, read all this stuff about the product, get the resources, you know, get the copy, upload the videos, you know, to your website, write some content with the keywords. And even if you're building an email list, then you can put an opt-in form and you can just whack your emails straight in, and it's a done for you system, guys. It's done for you. All you need to do is you know, make some blog posts about this, or some blog posts on dogs. You can obviously, they've got information you can use here and content you can use. So you want to be writing, you know, 1,000 to 1,500 word informative value, you know, post to get people to your blog, because with keyword SEO rich keywords, and they'll enjoy your content, and people will click on the links and they will buy your products, guys. Not everyone, but you'll be getting a certain percentage. And then what you do is you get it up and running. You get your sort of 20 articles up on your blog site. Once you've done that, you can pretty much leave it, and you can then go and start another blog site, guys. It's that simple. So that's just, you know, quick. That's a really good one on dog trading. So, you know, as I said, you can find anything on here. You know, you may be into, you know, free energy, you know, like solar panels, or, you know, these sort of water engines that people are making. You know, free chakra energy healing, phone for energy, practical do-it-yourself energy saving and free energy. There you go. It's not doing a lot. Here you go, Gravity 22. Free Reiki energy bracelet. There you go. If you're into Reiki and healing and things like that, average upside 100%. Okay, rebuild. So that means you're getting 100% of the product, or you're getting $9 per sale on this. Solar Sterling plant. Gravity's not too bad. You know, you could do a bit with this. And you've got to also understand things like alternative energy do perform. You know, you're going to be selling less than someone who's selling weight loss or something like that. So yeah, it's all down here, the quantum key, and again, some of them will have sites that you can click on, and some of them won't. As you can see, it's got the affiliate page, and it's got all the stuff in there. So just basically, whatever your niche is, you know, because you've got to pick a niche and stick with that until it gets up and running, and you've got your little audience going, and then you can jump out and go to another niche. So, you know, whatever it be, it might be, you know, gardening. You might want to build a gardening blog, but what you'd want to do is you'd want to make it more specific, like Japanese gardening. Okay, gardening on a shoestring. Do-it-yourself beehive. So that's something perfect that you could add into it, you know, a sort of a organic gardening kind of a blog. You know, you can have how to build a beehive, do a couple of posts on that, and you can promote this as well, you know, get your own herb garden going. all these different things, you know, expert how-to vegetable growing books, you know, how to grow vegetables in small spaces. So basically with this, you could make a blog, you know, you could have a post on how to grow vegetables in small spaces, you know, how to start your own beehive, how to start your own herb garden. And in each one, you know, how to create a garden on a shoestring, eco-friendly. And in each post, you just have some of these links. You give people value, they'll come on, they'll click on your links, and away you go. So that's basically it for this training. I really just wanted to sort of show you Clickbank, you know, what the gravity means, you know, how to find a product that's actually worth, you know, promoting. And that's basically it. Always check them out. Like I said, some of them will have a lot more. See, this one doesn't really have anything. If we'd have to gonna copy that. Let's just have a quick look if I can copy that. Go to that page. And yeah, some of these affiliate offers have a lot more, you know, content that they give you so you can promote them. So this is affiliate book, 50% commissions, blah, blah, blah. You've got all this stuff. But as you can see, it's pretty much this is you're given an affiliate link, and you go ahead and promote it. So it's not like the last one where they gave you, you know, all the videos and all that kind of stuff. And with that one, you could see how high the gravity was too, how it was performing really well. So my advice would be, especially if you're starting, find something that's got a lot of content that you can basically use to promote their product, because that's why they give it to you. They want to sell products, so they get the whole package done. Say, just get it out there and you can make money pretty much for free. Alright, so that's it, guys. I'll be back. I'm going to make another video showing you exactly how you sort of go about putting all these links into a blog post. Yeah, so make sure you catch that. I'll chuck a link down in the description for it. And also, guys, have a look. There's links down below from my website where there's tons more information, blog posts and videos all on making money with affiliate marketing online. There's also, you can join my private Facebook group for some more sort of specific content and help. And also there's another link down there if you want to watch a webinar that goes into a bit more detail about how you can get all this started. Alright, so have an awesome day, guys. I hope you got some value from that, and as always, look inside yourself because there is greatness in there, and I'll be back to give you some more awesome information very soon. Alright, ciao for now, guys. Bye.